What have you done to my beautiful self?
Would you rather I let them beat you to death?
I'm not certain.
I saved your life.
Forgive me. And in return for saving my life, I am your servant. Whatever you need.
Idiots. Those three. Raising a baby. What a disaster. I must see this for myself. Come. Curious little beastie.